Hi everyone. Here I have ICSE Semester 2 examination specimen question paper for English literature, English paper 2. So as you know, second semester marks for each subject is for 40 marks and time allotted for 1.5 hours. And answer to this paper must be written on the paper provided separately. So answer sheet will be given to you. So in that you have to write, and you will not be allowed to write during the first 10 minutes. That means first 10 minutes will be given to you to go through your question papers. And this time is to be spent in reading the question paper, and the time given at the head of this paper is the time allowed for writing the answers. That means 10 minutes will be given for you to read and go through the questions, and exactly 1.5 hour you will get to write your answers. So the paper has 4 sections. Section A is compulsory. All questions in section A must be answered. And you must attempt one question from each of the section B, C and D. So there you have options. So you have to attempt any one out of 2. And the marks for the particular questions are given in the bracket. So section A, first question, that you have MCQ question. So here there are 10 questions are there for English 2. So you have to write the correct option with particular alphabet. So let's do it. First question. Choose the correct answer to the questions from the given options. Do not copy the question. Write the correct answer only. So follow the instructions properly. Don't write the question. Direct write the answer which is correct. So first question. What was announced on the loudspeakers before the start of the race in the poem? 9 gold medals. Options are the nationalities of the runners, the age of the runners, the names of the runners, D, the gender of the runners. So the correct option is number C, that is the names of the runners. Then question 2. Which of the following words would best describe Abu bin Adam? Options are bold and brash, devout and compassionate, prayerful and anxious, D, dreamy and peaceful. So the correct option is B, that is devout and compassionate. Question 3. What event were the children in Ray Bradbury's story All Summers in a Day eagerly awaiting? Options are their return to the earth, the arrival of the rocket people, their teacher's return, D, the appearance of the sun. So the correct option is D, appearance of the sun. The next, how old was Margot when she first arrived on his distant planet? Options A, 5, B, 7, C, 4, D, 9. So option A, that is 5 years, is the correct option. Number 5, what made Jesse Owens one of the best remembered athletes of all time? And the options are his remarkable achievement of winning 4 gold medals at the 1936 Olympic Games, B, the amazing bond of friendship that he developed with arch rival Luge Long, C, his struggle to qualify for the final of the broad jump at the 1936 Olympic Games, and D, his anger at the rising nationalistic feelings that characterized the 1936 Berlin Olympic? So the correct option is B. That is the amazing bond of friendship that he developed with our rival Louis Long. The next question, number 6. You should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. Who said these words and to whom? Options are: first, J.C. Owens, coach to J.C. Owens; B. Louis Long to J.C. Owens; C. J.C. Owens to Louis Long; D. Hitler to Louis Long. So the correct option is number B. So Louis Long to J.C. Owens. Then question number 7. Antonio says that trying to reason with Shylock was like, options are: standing on the beach and ordering the waves to wash away the sands; reasoning with a ewe which was carrying out in distress at the loss of her lamb; C. trying to soften a rock; D. commanding the pine trees on the mountain side to remain quiet and motionless when battered by strong winds. So the correct option is D. That is commanding the pine trees on the mountain side to remain quiet and motionless when battered by strong winds. The next question, which of the following characters can be described as quick-witted, daring and loyal? So options are Nerissa, Jessica, Portia and Leigh, the wife of Shylock. So the correct option is number C, that is Portia. Next, number 9. Name the young lovers whose lives ended tragically because of a misunderstanding caused by the appearance of a lion. Options are: A. Troilus and Cressida; B. Pyramus and Thisbe; C. Dido and Ananias; D. Medea and Aeson. So the correct option is B. Pyramus and Thisbe. Next, question 10. Last MCQ question. What special deed of gift does Jessica give to Lorenzo at the end of the play? Options are: A. the news that Shylock had forgiven Jessica and Lorenzo for eloping; B. the bond signed by Shylock making Lorenzo heir to all his wealth; C. the 3,000 ducats that Antonio owed to Shylock; D. the news that Shylock had agreed to become a Christian. So the correct option is B. That is the bond signed by Shylock making Lorenzo heir to all his wealth. Then next, section B is there, drama from the Merchant of Venice, Act 4 and 5. So extracts are given there and accordingly questions are asked. So you have to read the extract and answer the questions. So you can see question 2. Then you have section C, prose short stories from the treasure trove. Then question number 4. So each 2 questions are there. You have to attempt any one. Then section D, poetry is there from the treasure trove, collection of poem and short stories. So such kind of sample is given. So this is the specimen question paper from the ICSE board. So similar question pattern you will be getting for your second semester board examinations.